Ladies and gentlemen, it's far formally the brand new 12 months, and at the side of it, we've some big fireworks going on around this area. We have some new moves taking place at the charts, which could be very thrilling to peer, and we are without a doubt going to be addressing it. So with that being stated, welcome to the channel, All and Sundry. My call is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, with any luck, by using the end of this video, you do come to be a subscriber. And also, proper now's the great time to be within the Unfastened Discord. What are you guys looking forward to? Join up by way of clicking the link down within the description underneath. And with that being stated, allows dive on in. So in 2024, we saw some very huge moves, but it wasn't simply crypto, right? It changed into the stock market. It became essentially every single primary threat on asset class that turned into seeing big moves. And if we honestly go over right here, we may want to see just in over 7.11 trillion was introduced to America's stock marketplace in 2024. Now, on top of that, crypto noticed a wonderful YOR as nicely. You recognize Bitcoin went on an absolute tear. A number of old coins have done thoroughly as well. But this is just a begin in my view, like I stated, 2025. It is officially here, guys. It goes to be a completely large year for crypto and Speak Me Extra. So approximately that, well, just like I stated, I said it a couple of times, January goes to be a totally bullish month. However, 2025 is also going to be a very bullish 12 months for crypto, and so far, if we are looking at crypto right now, I suggest Bitcoin is not doing a great deal. Permits honestly filter this out real short. I definitely want to trade out the 30-day for the beyond 24 hours, and I also need to exchange out the 60-day for the last 7 days due to the fact we are now beginning to see a few huge movements here on the 24-hour. Again, nothing too crazy when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but out of nowhere. Proper moved up into the top 3 roll once more, and this changed into a silent move, not a variety of human beings. We're talking approximately it, and we're now trading over $2.40. It's up 14% at the 24-hour span, up approximately 5% on the 7-day span, nonetheless up over 260+% at the 90-day gain. Now, on pinnacle of that, if we are virtually looking on the pinnacle 24-hour gainers in the pinnacle 100 nicely, XLM is up 27% almost, which once more just made an XLM video talking approximately how nearly no one's even addressing XLM. Outside of that, we've got XDC up 20+%, Algorand up almost 20%. You recognize XRP is the pinnacle gainer, ADA, QT, HBAR. A lot of software projects at the moment are pumping. Is it just a coincidence with Mika and with 2025 being a completely bullish year for crypto? Probably now not. Listen, people are aware about what is occurring. People are aware that you understand Mika is coming into impact now. We're going to see some regulatory moves occurring in the US. We know that this seasoned crypto admin has taken workplace on the 20th. You recognize Gary Gensler stepping down on the 20th as properly. So there's loads to look ahead to inside the 12 months of 2025. And I assume that that's what's happening now. I suppose that people are understanding that 2025 goes to be very bullish. So we higher prepare now and talk greater, so approximately that XRP trading volume is up 99% nowadays. Over 9 factor to 8 billion greenbacks, and additionally on pinnacle of that, if we pass over here to fiat leap men, look at how lots movement is taking place. We haven't hit any crazy numbers here in phrases of the quantity of XRP traded within the beyond minute, but we were just around 1,000. 000, so sometimes it turned into hitting like 3 million, but for the maximum element concentrate, we are starting to see a whole lot of purchase volume coming in. We're beginning to see quite a few awareness put on XRP and also on a whole lot of these utility initiatives. And that is no accident. Human beings are now making ready. But additionally, on top of that, if we go over to XP Marketplace, so even though December wasn't a completely bullish month for fee action across the XRP ledger, XRP in terms of the actual XRP ledger recorded its maximum amount of XRP ledger token marketplace cap. We ought to certainly see over 304 million greenbacks. And by way of the manner, in terms of acceptors true with traces, we ought to see the trust lines right here. So active buyers became over 27.6 thousand, 1.6 million trades, 17.1 thousand listing of belongings, 7.1 thousand listing of belongings, 7 million consider traces. And we are able to see the DEX quantity simply over 10 million, centralized change quantity just over 5.3 million. I understand it's not as loopy as November or October, but concentrate we're nevertheless seeing, and I do assume that that is handiest going to keep in 2025. Now, on top of this, permits genuinely go back to XRP. So we did witness history for XRP, and what became that records? Well, permits pass over right here to blockchain backers put up. We have Happy New Year, it's 2025 at the charts. It took 7 years, but XRP just had its maximum every year close in history, and we may want to see it on the chart here. Very, very bullish stuff right here. I want you guys to recognize that XRP today, proper now, as I am recording this video, XRP is asking truly beautiful on the charts. I'm going to deal with it on this video due to the fact I was giving you men my tier breakdown over the past couple of weeks, and I do desire that a variety of you did pay attention, because up to now you understand things were working out nearly best at the chart. We can't say ideal as it would not truly paintings like that in those markets trying to predict matters. But we're going to talk about the chart right here in a second. But on pinnacle of XRP having its exceptionally or highest yearly near in records, we will see over here XRP buying and selling volume is again topping the charts on South Korea's biggest exchanges, overtaking Bitcoin in a signal, a florid hobby that often precedes rate volatility. Now, this were given published the day past, or I certainly have to say days ago, because this video is going to be going stay in the dark. But this turned into, on December 31st at almost 5 a.m., and Anthony Welfare, previous worker at Ripple, did quote this saying, XRP trading volume doubles Bitcoin in 10 instances Ethereum's. Happy New Year to all XRP holders, supporters, and soon-to-be traders. Total buying and selling extend towards the only unrespectable up-it and become legitimate. And Corbett, the USA's largest exchanges by using volumes and customers, topped $800 million in greenback value in the beyond 24 hours. XRP registered over $200 million in volumes on Bithum and $600 million on Up-It, with Bitcoin buying and selling volumes less than half of these on each exchanges. Interest in different belongings, which include Doge or Ether, become even decrease, accomplishing only a tenth of the demand seen for XRP. So XRP globally proper now could be inside the highlight. It's taking center level. It's even flipping Bitcoin, which is crazy. But that is just a start. And sure, like I stated, I do assume that XRP is making history. Regardless of what humans are, you realize attempting to mention approximately XRP and XRP's overall performance. Guys, XRP has been doing very thoroughly. Yes, we are nevertheless underneath the all-time highs. However, I do consider that we're going to witness a primary shift this year once we do destroy over the all-time highs. Because sure, I for my part see XRP buying and selling over its all-time excessive. I simply do not see how it doesn't. If it doesn't, something is seriously wrong. Because if we cross-return and we have a look at just the closing 12 months, right, 2024 become a fantastic year for XRP. So many remarkable trends, such a lot of top-notch moves being made, it just makes feel for XRP to create a new all-time high at the chart. Now, speaking approximately the chart, like I stated, over the past couple of days, technically over the past couple of weeks, I should say, because you recognize I had been honestly type of charting this on account that going lower back to just like the center of December. But the large aspect that I become addressing was protecting $2 proper. Now, at the 4-hour, we simply in no way closed under $2. Why become $2 a huge attention? Well, this is the liquidity wick of around $2 going all the way lower back to December 9th. I said if we lose this stage, we are in for a massive problem at the chart, aka a miles larger pullback, which would have been the truthful fee gap down here. If we did lose the $2 variety, I might say, well, Nick, did not we lose the $2 variety here? Well, yes, but $2 if we lost it on this 4-hour candle would beneath this trend line. If we misplaced a trend and misplaced $2, then it might have signaled a larger push to the drawback. Now, I said that I am looking forward to $2 to preserve and offer these lows. We have to have a pass to the upside. And proper now, we just retested this higher trend line. Yes, we are going to drag back a bit from this. We're going to cut a little bit before we in the end damage the upside. Again, what stage am I looking at here? Well, in the long run, it is the liquidity wick from December 3rd proper around kind of $2.30. If we had been going to, you already know, pull again and retest the extent this